All right, so 2 weeks of growth. Let's reveal.
Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and I'm gonna give you a quick update on my hair. I didn't get to wash my hair last week, Saturday. Today is another Saturday, so my hair have been washed for 2 weeks now. It should wash by tonight or Sunday night. I can't go 3 weeks with my hair looking like this. Alright, so I'm going to show you the new growth in 2 weeks. I didn't wash it. All I did was to moisturize and add in my edge control. I usually say gel. I'm used to saying the word gel, but it's actually edge control. Alright, so 2 weeks of growth. Let's reveal. 2 weeks hair growth, guys. 2 weeks. My hair is on another level, I tell you. Alright, look at this, guys. Let me come up a bit closer. This is where the elastic band was. You know what? Let me show you one where the elastic band did not burst. So you see that shiny thing there? That's the elastic band. This right here is the new growth. All of this is the new growth. So sometimes when I put in the elastic band, it end up bursting. So that's what happened to that one. But this one here, elastic band is here, and this is the new growth. In some sections, I have more growth than the other section. So look at this right here. The elastic band is here, and look at the new growth. Look at all this new growth. See that? See that? Look at this one. This is about 1 inch. 1 inch in 2 weeks. This is elastic band. And look at that one. You see that, guys? The elastic band is here, and this is the amount of growth that I have. Like this. This one, elastic band is here, and this is the amount of growth. You see that? Growth. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. Somebody asked me today on the road if it's my real hair, and it's actually my real hair. Yes, it is my real hair. Because when I plait my hair, it stretches down to the back, not too far, but it stretches. Alright, so I was like this, and I wore my hat, my subscribe hat. So it's definitely time to wash it. I think I'm going to do a live, or I can just add the video to this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as yet. But right now it's Saturday night, it's after 8, and I still have a lot to do, so I'm going to plait this to keep my ends from either knotting or unraveling, or just putting it away, and show you guys how I did my hair today. Now, whenever I'm going on the road on Saturday, I usually let it out just to feel my hair just a little bit. So yes, guys, see that? You see that? You see that? So my hair was like this, and I have my hat on. But I definitely need to get my hair done. Yeah, so that's an update on my hair. 2 weeks growth. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.